In this video I'm going to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on DOOGEE V20. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here we're going to search for an app and enter Google Classroom. Select this app, install it. After the process is finished, let's open the app, go to get started. Select the account you want to use for this app or add another one. I'm going to pick this one, move to the next step, click on this plus button, join class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after that click on the join button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.